The TobenONE USB-C docking station, 18-in-1 triple display hub, is designed for users who want a full desktop replacement experience from a single USB-C connection. It supports multi-screen productivity with up to 3 external monitors, delivering crisp 4K output for compatible systems. Whether you're working with spreadsheets, editing high-resolution media, coding across multiple windows, or managing trading dashboards, this docking station is built to streamline a complex workflow into a clean and efficient setup. It expands a single laptop port into a full workstation with a wide range of connectivity options, including HDMI, DisplayPort, multiple USB-A ports for accessories, high-speed USB-C, Ethernet for stable wired internet, SD and microSD card readers, and a dedicated power delivery input that can charge laptops while in use. The 18-in-1 design reduces the need for extra adapters and keeps your desk organized while maintaining strong data transfer speeds across devices. One of its strongest advantages is triple display support, which typically relies on DisplayLink technology to enable extended monitors on both Windows and macOS systems. This makes it especially valuable for professionals who need maximum screen real estate. Performance is generally stable when properly configured with drivers, and the dock maintains consistent output without frequent disconnections. It is also designed with thermal efficiency in mind, helping reduce overheating during long work sessions. Overall, the TobenONE docking station delivers a powerful all-in-one solution for productivity-focused users who want to turn a laptop into a full desktop workstation. It is especially useful for remote workers, developers, content creators, and finance professionals who depend on multiple screens and reliable connectivity. With its combination of 4K display support, extensive port selection, and charging capability, it stands out as a premium-grade hub for serious multitasking setups.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.